All right, now that we've completed row 8 and 9, so for row 10, what we're going to want to do is single crochet, decrease. So if you're not familiar with that, we go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then go into the next stitch, pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and go through all 3 stitches, and that is your single crochet decrease. So we want to do 1 single crochet decrease and then single crochet into the next 5 stitches. And you want to repeat that 5 more times, single crochet decrease and then single crochet into the next 5 stitches. This round will have a total of 36 stitches made. All right, and there we are. We have, that is round 10. So you see it's starting to, we went larger and now it's starting to shrink up. So now we're making the body of the sunflower head. Now for round 11, what we're going to want to do is single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet into the next 4 stitches. And you want to repeat that 5 more times, single crochet decrease, then single crochet into the next 4 stitches. And this round will have a total of 30 stitches made. And there we are. That is round 11. For round 12, what we're going to do is, once again, single crochet, decrease, and then we're going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to repeat that 5 more times, single crochet, decrease, single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and this round is going to have a total of 24 stitches made. All right, and there we have round 12. For round 13, what we're going to do is, once again, single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And then we're just going to repeat that 5 more times, single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And this round is going to have a total of 18 stitches made. And there we are. That is round 13. As you see, it's really starting to close up now. Now for round 14, we're going to single crochet, decrease, and then single crochet into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that 5 more times. And this row is going to have a total of 12 stitches made. All right, and there is round 14. Now here is where I am actually going to start putting in the poly stuffing. So we just take little bits of it and just start shoving it inside of our little amigurumi sunflower. I choose to wait till this point just because all these lovely little fibers, I at least tend to get them all mixed up into everything, so I prefer to wait until the last possible moment to start stuffing mine. You might choose to stuff, a round earlier or not at all, so that is entirely up to you. All right, now that we have it all stuffed, for our last row here, this is row 15, what we're going to do is single crochet decrease, and we're going to want to do that 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull up a loop and tie it off. Now, be sure to leave a little bit of a tail so that you can go ahead and weave it in. I prefer leaving a slightly longer tail just because I find it easier that I can always snip off more. But if I make it too short for weaving it in, it's a little bit more difficult trying to add. So, and then put your yarn into your darning needle and then just go a couple of times back and forth right through that opening just to make sure it's good and sealed. And then run your yarn just to tie it all off. You might do a little bit better of a tie off than what I'm doing for this video. I'm just trying to show it up quickly. And there we are. We have the center base for our sunflower. And we'll be right back and I'll show you how to create the petals.